How to start trading the forex market with no capital. If you're tired of trading your demo account or a demo account and you're looking for a way to get funds and start trading live and make profit, then this video is for you. What's up guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get this bonus for yourself, and at the end of the video or at the later part of the video I'm going to be giving you the guidelines on how to trade this bonus so as to not to blow the account and make profits from it and start your forex trading journey. Now, if you know nothing about forex, there will be a link in the description box in which you join our free Telegram class where we teach people on the basic knowledge of forex trading. We also have our signal group in the description box also, where you can get quality trading signals with about 95% accuracy. So without any further ado, let's jump right into this video. Click on the first link in the description box. It will take to a page like this. You'll be able to access the FBS $50 no deposit bonus. The bonus is 100% withdrawable once you make $25 in profits, and we have traded a total lot of about 2 standard lots. Now, enter your email address and your full name, then click on register as a trader. It will send you a verification message on your email. Once you click on that verification email, it will verify your account. After verifying your account, you will be able to log in the FBS dashboard. I already have an account with FBS, so I'm just going to click on login. After logging in, you'll be asked to create a sent account. Just quickly create a sent account, then go to your profile, verify your phone number and verify your identity. Now, I'll click on my profile. My profile is already verified. Now, if you're in Nigeria, if you're verifying your identity, you have to attach your birth certificate. If you're using your NIN, you have to attach your birth certificate together with your NIN to get verified. I think verification takes about 3 to 5 hours. You get an email notification that your account has been verified, then you'll be able to get this bonus. Now, for you to get this bonus, you just have to click at the top right corner here, then click on promotions, then click on the $50 bonus. Once you click on it, this bonus, I already have it here. As you can see right down here, you are seeing 50.98. I've started trading it already. 50.98 cents, $50.98. So there will be a display button here in which you can create the $50 no deposit bonus account. After you must have been verified. You must have been verified to be able to create the $50 no deposit bonus account. If you are not verified, it will be showing you verification links where you need to verify your phone number and your identity. After creating this bonus account, you have to copy your login details and link it with your MT4 app on your phone. Now, if you don't know how to do that, there's a video I made on how to link your broker to your MT4 or MT5 account. You can quickly check that out. Now, successfully logged in to the FBS bonus account on my MetaTrader 4. You can look at the $50 right here, and I've traded it today. I made about 98 cents or so. Now, this is my advice in trading this kind of account, the $50 bonus account. The first thing I want to say is take it slow and take it seriously. Don't try to flip these accounts. Go through the process. It might take you 2 months, 3 months, 4 months for you to get this $50 into the $500. Then withdraw it to your trading account where you'll be able to trade more and make money from the market. Now, you have to take it slow and take it seriously. Don't bring the pressure of your real life into the market. Oh, you want to get this thing into the $500, withdraw the money and solve all your problems, maybe pay bills stacking up. The market didn't get you into this debt. You have a small account, so you have to take it slow and take it seriously. The next thing I want to say is be consistent in the lot size you use. Be consistent in the lot size. I recommend you using the least lot size possible, which is 0.01 lot size, and open only 2 entries. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is take profits early. When the market give you 10 to 20 pips, maybe $1 to $2 with the lot size you're opening, close. And another thing I want to say is have a realistic daily target. Look at making 5 to 10% of your equity. I think 5 to 10% of this $50 should be $2 to $5. So look at making $2 to $5 daily, and when you make this $2 to $5 daily. Once you reach your profit target, close for the day and relax. No matter the number of signals being sent in the signal group, don't trade again. Next thing I want to talk about is apply proper risk management. I'll have said it before, do not opt your lot size dramatically, maybe from 0.01 after making series of profits. Maybe you made $5 in the space of, you made $5 regularly for 3 consecutive days, then you now dramatically up your lot size to 0.10 or 0.05, and you lose everything you've made for the 4 days. Then you even made loss to the initial deposit you were being given. So know or apply proper risk management. The last thing I'm talking about here is know when to cut your losses. If I know this trade I'm taking, the highest or the maximum profit I'm going to get is $2 per entry or $1 per entry. If I'm in loss, I won't wait for me to hit $2 loss before closing my position, or wait till hit $5 loss per entry before closing my position. I close my, your risks. You should know your risk reward ratio. If I'm getting this out of the market, this is the risks I'm willing to take in this small account. So guys, that will be all for now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment in the comment section below. Cheers, peace, see you in the next video.